Hey guys, what's going on? Today I got a review and unboxing of this Slash Arc Plasma Cut 40. It's a 40 amp dual voltage plasma cutter. And I got this off eBay for, I think it was around $5.25, something around there. So we're going to open it up, pull it out, and see what we got here. Let's see if these ones blade. Okay, we got a Slash Arc CUT40 plasma cutter, manual. Nobody uses the manual, but we'll keep it here because you never know. Okay, oh, tight. There we go. Okay, what do we got here first? The box of goodies. It's always the box of goodies. Oh, okay. There we are. We have the ground clamp. It's just like the ground clamp I got for the Slash Arc 140/135. 140/135 MIG stick welder, the 110 one. It's like similar, it's not the same ground clamp. Also very nicely made. Has the braided copper inside. Very good spring to it. It's like the other one. Also uses the small DINS plug style, which is actually quite convenient because say you're working on a project with the welder, you need a quick plasma cut something on it, you don't even have to change out your ground. You just plug it in the other machine. We got that. And here we got the 220 to 110 adapter. Similar to the ones I have for all my other machines. If not, basically the same thing as the one for my Trico welder, my Everlast welder. This, it's the same pretty much. You just plug it in here, detects it, plug this into the wall, and you're good to go. Okay. And of course here we have some spare tips and cups, and of course the plasma gun, which is actually runs the, I'm told it runs the older Hypertherm style gun. It's the exact same, uses the same tips and everything as the Hypertherm. It's just the older ones because that, you know, now they, if any of you follow it, they do have a slightly different gun out now, but this is the same as the old ones. Let's cut this open and see what's in here. Okay. There we go. Look at that rubber smell. It also comes with a tip changing tool, which is quite convenient. I don't know, I'll figure this out. Okay, so here's your connectors for it. And this has a really long, that is a long cord, I can tell you that much. It's got a safety switch on it so you can't actually bump it and it takes off. You flip that up and then pull trigger. So that's very convenient. Okay, there's that. Okay, go. And I guess this in here would be the plasma cutter. Use the heart, foam, and sits on the floor. Go. There we have it. Okay, here is silica gel. No, here's the plasma cutter. Oh, very nice. Oh, I like it a lot. It's very. First of all, I like it's compact. And this thing is small. It's got a very small footprint. Okay. Got a decent length power cord here. Okay, let's see. So we got about, so I'm 6'1", so we got about a 6-foot power cord here. Here's your standard plug for a 220. Power switch on the back, air connection. Let's see, we got a nice, oh look at here, PSI gauge on the front. This controls the regulator. That's very nice. That has the regulator control in the front like that. And then a screen, digital readout, which I really like that. I'm a fan of digital readouts. And then just your control for it. And then here's where you pick your gun, your connector, and your ground. Okay, so let's get all this hooked up. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so you screw this end on, just like that. Should be as simple as that. You hook this red wire up to here. It just screws on just like such. I mean, it's only up because that's the way I put it. You can put it any possible way you want. It's just a loop. Then this slides in. It does have a guide. If you guys can see that. Then you just tighten that in there. That's your on-off control. And then a ground clamp right here. Alright guys, like I was saying, there's the machine. Look at how much plasma leak this thing comes with. That's gotta be, that's at least 15 foot. Connect those wires up. That has the control in the front and the air pressure. The only thing it didn't come with, it did not come with this little adapter. I had a couple of those laying around because this is obviously a shop. So I did have to put that on, Teflon it. So we're gonna hook it up and fire this thing up and see what it can do. Oh, and just so you guys know, we are starting on 220. Actually, not too bad. That's actually not a bad cut. So I diced it right off. And it cut it. That's what counts, right? It cut it. It's a plasma cutter. There's really not much to it. If it cuts it off nicely, you're good. Yeah, right through that. No hesitation. Now we've tested it on 220, which is obviously in the shop setting is going to be using, at least I anticipate. We're going to try plugging it into a 110 and see if it does the same kind of results. That fast, that nice of a cut. Alright, so on 110 it does it okay. It definitely struggles a little, but I mean, if you're in a bind and you need to get something cut quick, it'll do it. It will do it. But if you can pick 220, obviously I would. My final thoughts. What do I think of this Slash Arc 40? Slash Arc CUT40H. What do I think? I think it's great. For the price, it works fantastic. Like, it is amazing. Especially if you can keep it on 220. It really likes the 220 better. But if you're in a pinch and you just need to get something cut quick, it will work with 110. Especially when you're trying to do it with 110. So I keep it on 220, but on 220 it runs great. It slices and dices through everything. I really love the digital readout. The adjustment knob is very fun. You can get each one out of 13 through 40 amps. It's very, very nice to have a regulator in the front when you adjust. So, all in all, this Slash Arc CUT40 is good. It's definitely, if you're just getting started, it's a good investment, especially if you have 220. It is definitely a good investment for a cheaper style plasma cutter, but I mean, it works. Cut whatever you need to get you off and going, especially if you're building like smaller projects. This thing is just great. So yeah, thanks. This is my review of the Slash Arc CUT40H, and there'll be some links down below in the description if you want to go pick one up for yourself. Alright, see you guys.